Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Most people solve this question like cancel 2 by 2 is equal to 8 divide 1 is equal to 8. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong because math is always follow rules. So what is the rules? Rule is a PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponent, then third priority is multiplication and division, and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, so here is a division and here is a multiplication. Multiplication and division both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so is equal to. So here is a division and multiplication both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, then we have solve this multiplication. So now 8. Now according to KCF rule, K is equal to keep, C is equal to change, and F is equal to flip. So keep the first fraction as it is. Change the sign from division to multiplication. Okay, and flip the second fraction. So 1 by 2, flip this fraction 2 by 1. Okay, multiply 2 is equal to 8 multiply 2 multiply 2. So here is a multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to multiply this part. So 8 multiply 2 is equal to 16 multiply 2. Now 16 multiply 2 is equal to 32. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer is 32. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Do not forget to comment. Thanks for watching the video.